They said this volcano had been silent for 12,000 years until one night when the earth shouted. Silence, then a thunder-like explosion tearing the sky apart. Deep in the remote deserts of northeastern Ethiopia lies the Afar region, barren, harsh, and almost forgotten. At its edge stands an ancient volcano, Hayli Gubbi, dormant for millennia. Locals told stories of trembling earth and distant roars, but most dismissed them as desert legends. On the morning of November 23, 2025, the ground convulsed. A deafening blast, as if a bomb had shattered the silence, woke the giant. Within moments, a towering column of ash, smoke, and fire shot skywards, reaching heights so high that even satellite cameras caught its ominous silhouette. Villages nearby were blanketed under a choking gray blanket. The sky turned dark midday, air thick with ash and sulfur. Residents described the eruption as a sudden bomb that shook the ground and rattled windows for kilometers. Livestock scattered, sheep, goats, camels, driven by panic and choking air. Grazing lands turned barren under ash. Food vanished within hours. People coughed, eyes burned. Fear spread faster than the ash cloud itself. What began in Ethiopia did not stay there. The ash plume soared 45,000 feet, drifting over the Red Sea, across Yemen, Oman, even reaching skies over India and Pakistan. Flights were canceled, air travel disrupted. Some regions issued air quality warnings as sulfur dioxide and fine ash particles began to affect respiration and visibility. People far beyond the volcano's rim stared at gray, hazy skies, touching ash that drifted from nowhere. A ghostly reminder that events in one corner of the world can ripple across continents. After hours, the eruption subsided, but the aftermath lingered. Villages remained covered in soot, grazing land ruined, animals hungry, people displaced. Whispered stories of glowing red fissures under the earth, of tortured screams carried by the wind, of a volcano that should have died, but didn't. Scientists called it unprecedented, a first eruption in recorded history for Hayli Gubbi. But for the desert dwellers, it was a warning. The earth still remembers. The old giants still sleep, and sometimes they wake. Late at night, after the skies cleared, a desperate shepherd walks through the ghost town of ash. He hears a distant rumble under the earth, not from Hayli Gubbi, but from somewhere deeper. Maybe the real monster hasn't awoken yet.